Hey, it's Luke Holmstrom from Funded Profits Trading, and today I want to break down two trades that I just made this morning. So I had two different trade setups this morning, and I'll kind of just walk you through what I saw in it, and I'll even tell you why we're retracing so hard right now. And it kind of goes into what's going on inside the market right now. So first thing is this morning at Reddit Open, it's pretty volatile, both directions. I didn't want to enter a trade yet, so I waited off till 10:30, and I've been actually doing this a lot more frequently now, where we're getting super volatile both directions, and it's okay. Sometimes you can make money from it, but sometimes also you get caught holding the bag, and it's not very fun. So what I like to do is I like to wait an hour sometimes, let it cool off, and then see which direction it's going to go in for the day. And that's exactly what I did. At 10:30, I decided that I wanted to enter in a short position. And this is because we were super oversold already in this whole area. Overbought in this whole area. And then usually what happens is when you think, and this is what you kind of have to realize, is that someone always has to lose for you to win, and you need to kind of be aware of what the retail is looking at, right? So looking at this, you can see it's super overbought for a long time. But if you sold in these areas, you would have just got stopped out. So what I did is I waited to break through, and I waited for us to retrace back to that 70 mark or a little close to it. So we came back, we retraced, and once we came back and bounced off that and started pushing down again, I wanted to place in a short sell position. So I placed in a short sell, and I had my profit. I only had my stop loss just above that highest wick, basically just where we were, a little bit higher than we previous were, and I just had that just above there just to be super safe, super conservative. Only 50-point stop loss to make 200 points on the Dow. So that was a good 1-to-4 risk-to-reward ratio trade, and we didn't actually hit it until this point where right here I basically called out another trade after we hit it. I basically just pulled out another trade, and this was for people that didn't get in that first entry before. So we did another position. I raised my stop loss a little bit, and basically it's not even this, to be honest. What I did actually was, here you go. Perfect. So this was actually, I had a 70-point stop loss, 700 pips, and I put this actually just above. If you look on the 15-minute, no, the 5-minute, that's what it is. So if you look on the 15-minute, that 5-minute, I put the stop loss just where we had that big push down right here, where we pushed down about 1,000 pips, 100 points. I put it right on top of there because I knew that was going to be a pretty good pressure point. So going through here, I placed another position, and it actually went down to 450, where even 400. So this would have been 11,000 pips if you got to 450. So with both positions, so huge profit on these two trades. And what we were doing is we're just trying to find super overbought or super oversold conditions in this market right now, and placing positions on them and being super careful, having super tight stop losses, and really making as much of a high risk-to-reward ratio trade as we possibly can. And this is exactly what we did in perfect execution for today. Now, we came all the way down, and then we actually retraced, and you can see that we're still retracing hard. This is the 5-minute chart. We are retracing so hard right now, and the reason why we are doing this is because they just had the first interest rates hike within 3 years. So Feds just announced they're hiking the interest rates. So that's what this whole market is just booming right now. We're super bullish right now, and that's basically why the market was so bullish now. But we had a lot of time to pull out our profits with this trade, and if you didn't pull out profits, we had hours to do it. So if you're looking for more trades like this, super high risk-to-reward ratio trades, tight stops, and really just looking, if you want to have trades that have an edge on the market, just like we do, we have edges on the market, we take advantage of those edges, and then we utilize them. We use them with high risk-to-reward ratio trades. So if you want to learn how to get more edges on the market, how to be more profitable, how to be more consistent trading, and how to get super good entries and exits just like this, then all you need to do is down below, come check out what we're doing here at the Funded Profits Trading Academy. We teach you how to trade. I show you my trades in real time so you can copy and paste them, use them for your own education, and also I go over weekly calls. I talk to you about, why I break into more trades like this. I do 3 to 4 trades a week, and I go over just like I'm doing here, but in more depth and I go over the trades that I'm going into, why I entered, why I exited, and what we can do in the future. And also, one of the huge things that we do is there's partners out there that'll give you access to $100,000 or more in trading capital, give you majority of the profit splits. They take all the downside, and that's why we're called the Funded Profits Trading Academy. If you want to get a funded account and learn how to trade, then all you got to do is click the button below and come check out what we have in store at the Funded Profits Trading Academy. If you have any comments, please leave them down below, and I'd love to answer them. And please subscribe for more videos just like this so you can become a better trader and elevate your trading. I'm Luke Holmstrom, signing out.